Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. In this video I will be showing you how you can see those that subscribe to your channel in the lifetime of your channel, not just in 1 month or 2 days ago or 3 days ago. You will see it and the date they subscribe to you. So this is something I'm going to be sharing with you. People have been asking me, what about memory lane? Those video was nice, please share something about it, and we are going to be sharing it. Okay, story time / memory lane is coming back, and we also have a giveaway coming up on the 19th of this month. If you have not applied and you want to apply, you still have time to do so. If you don't want to join the giveaway, just come and join, or it's going to be live, and we'll be doing Q&A as a kickoff. It's supposed to be on the 28th because I was sick, so I couldn't do that. So on the 19th I will be doing this giveaway this month. We did it last time, a semi giveaway. It was fun, people love it, and we love it, so we want to take that as a kickoff. If you are fast in typing and you understand the questions, you will win something. Yeah, so if you want to see how we do it, and on the 14th of January, then you will understand what we are talking about. So that being said, we also have a website whereby you can buy some of the things we used to do our beadwork, or some of these things here. If you are somebody that do DIY, or you like all this traditional beadwork, and you are looking for a place to get the real one that we use, please check our website maggiebees.com. We have you covered there, and you patronizing us help us to continue doing videos, and also to teach some of the things we know, and most especially to assist those less privileged we assist in Africa. Yeah, so we'll be sharing videos about what we do there, not just because we are saying that we are too much, but this is what we do, and the world need to see it and also copy from us, and also assist us to keep on doing it in a larger scale. Yeah, so this is why we actually open a website, and you guys can get what you need to do the DIY we do here, and also with the money that you guys use to patronize us, we can also use it to help people and continue to further what we do here. So that being said, let us go and check this computer, and then you can tell me the surprise that you get, because I was actually surprised. Those that said that they are my fan, that they subscribe to me, I didn't see them in my subscription. So I want to use this means to really thank those of you that are still here on our channel, that are dropping comments on our comment section, and that are part of my community here. Thank you so much, I really appreciate you. I see you guys. I just want to let you guys know that yeah, you can also see those in your channel, and I appreciate those of you that are in my community that are subscribed to us. You guys are amazing. This channel is our channel. Thank you. Keep bringing the suggestion of what you want us to do, and we will keep delivering it to you guys. So that being said, let's head over to the computer and see those who have subscribed to you in the lifetime of your channel, or also 3 months ago, and so on. So let's do this, guys. So guys, now you will have to go to your browser and open YouTube on your laptop. Okay, so when you open it, you can see it now, and then you click the icon of your channel. You click this icon of your channel, a window will open. Then you go to YouTube Studio. You go to YouTube Studio. Here on YouTube Studio, you see this is the first page. You will see just the channel dashboard. From this channel dashboard, you will scroll down, and you will get to see recent subscriber, and then you will go down again, and you will see all. You press see all. Okay, when you press see all, a window will open. So the first thing you see here, if you look up here, you see subscriber only include user who have made their subscription public. Yeah, so this page will show the people who have made their subscription public. And then what happened is that the next thing you will see here, you said, you see here, those that have subscribed to you in 90 days is what I have here now. You see? And you also show those that I have subscribed to. And the one that I have not subscribed to, that subscribed to me, some of them are here. I normally go back to their channel, check if it is something that I really like. I will also subscribe to this and press the notification bell to see what they are posting, because I'm very cool. I like watching videos. Okay, so now let us see the ones that subscribe to you in 7 days. You see, you will click that icon there that I just clicked. Let me go back. You see there is one arrow here close to this 90 days. Did you see that? Voila. I will click that arrow. I will click, there's different option here. The last 7 days, the last 28 days, the last 90 days, the last 365 days, and the lifetime of your channel. You see that? Got you. So here you click 7 days. The last 7 days I just have one person. Yeah, and then let us click the last 28 days. These are those who subscribed to me in the last 28 days. Let us see those, the last 90 days. Here they are. You see, those who subscribed to me in the last one here, last 365 days. You see, here they are. There are some that I have to check. So when you get here, that does not mean that is all. You see, you have 10 out of what? You have 1 out of 10. So you can click this arrow here. You see that you click the next arrow. You see, so you have not only 10, you will have many pages. You see here it said 21 out of 30, so it's always 10 that shows. So here you can see those that really subscribe to you, and if you have not subscribed to them, opportunity to go and check their channel and see what they are up to. Yeah, and you know what to do. So these are just how you know. Yeah, so that being said, that will be all for this video. If there is any other thing that you want us to do, let us know in the comment section. If there is any other way that is better than this, that you can see those that subscribe to you, that is as well good. Please let us know in the comment section. If you can also achieve this on your mobile phone, because many of our friends use mobile, please let us know. I have to tell you, I don't know how to see these informations on my mobile phone to see those who have subscribed to me for the past 1 year or the lifetime of my channel on my mobile. I can only see that on my laptop. So if there is any way you can do that, please check us in our social media platform or in our community, and you can share a screenshot for us so that we can help each other. That being said, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.